Businesses are working hard to keep everyone safer when you are visiting your local town in the Stroud District. These measures are to help protect you, their staff, and those around you too. Although there were some changes announced on the 23rd of June, the need to keep 2 meters apart in most places has not changed, although it may seem like it did. When in shops, offices, branches or out and about, keep a safe distance. Please continue to stay at least 2 meters apart. To enable some businesses to operate effectively, the government has relaxed the distancing rules, but only under certain circumstances. This has been called the 1 metre plus rule, but it's important to remember this doesn't apply everywhere. The regulations state that it is only safer below 2 meters with risk mitigation, and where 2 meters is not viable. This applies when with others outside of your household and outside of your support bubble. Wearing a face covering is mandatory on public transport. It may work to protect others from you, but that protection is limited. Simply wearing a face covering like a mask is not mitigation enough, even if you and all around you are wearing one. This is not enough to safely reduce the distance below 2 meters. However, wearing a full face visor in a work setting such as when styling hair is appropriate mitigation when worn by someone providing close contact services to you. You may be required to wear a face covering too. Using a suitable screen can also be appropriate risk mitigation. Sitting so you are facing away from each other may also be appropriate risk mitigation. When on the premises of a business, the business owner and staff are responsible for ensuring the appropriate distancing measures are in place. We need you to help by following the information they provide to you. So where you see markings that ask you to keep 2 meters apart, they're not out of date. They do still apply. And if you are asked by a member of staff to keep 2 meters physically distanced, please follow their request. When shopping with children, please ensure they're supervised at all times, including ensuring they observe physical distancing guidelines. So remember, the 2 meter distancing rule still applies when in the street, in markets, in car parks and all other public areas including shops and businesses, unless risk mitigation is in place and it is expressly stated. This applies everywhere, including out-of-town supermarkets and stores and shopping malls too. It is still important to wash your hands with a suitable hand cleanser and clean water, and to do so thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. Carry hand sanitizer with you and remember to use it regularly, especially between places you visit, when you enter a premises, and when you cannot wash your hands. By us all following these simple rules, together we can make shopping and your visit to town as easy and safe as possible. We look forward to welcoming you back to your high street.